Macmasters has been inundated with this foam, and this foam is a mixture of, it could well be sewage, all sorts of rubbish, because it's really sticky. You can see it's sticking to my feet, sticking to my clothes, and Macmasters is probably about 30 kilometres away from the outlet of Hawkesbury River. And the Hawkesbury River's been flooding over the last 3 or 4 or 5 days, and I guess it would have washed all the sewage works and all the stuff that's in the Hawkesbury and feeds the Hawkesbury, and it's all down here in the beaches, Central Coast beaches right now. So it's absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. Normally the beach, the sound of the surf is so loud because of all the crashing waves and everything, particularly when there's a huge storm right now. But because of all this foam here, it's just dampening the sound completely. It's almost like a silent wave that is being created here. Look at this. Incredible sight. Pretty yucky stuff to walk in, but I guess stay part of the action, I suppose. It's so surreal. Feels like Ghostbusters have just been slimed. Oh no! Oh god! This is crazy. Oh, here comes another one. Complete silence. It's just this silent wave of foam. Amazing. Okay, we're on day 2 of storms, or not so much storms. It's settled down at Macmasters Beach. Still a lot of foam around the place, but at least the sand is washing up, becomes less sticky, less pollution. and over the next couple of days I imagine it's going to all clear up again, which is good. So put a camera reference, shooting with the Z6 24-70 f4 lens still. I mainly use this camera for my studio videoing, because when I'm out and about with taking stills, I normally use the Leica equipment, but my Leica MC rigs. However, it's nice to get out and change a camera and see what else I can do, whether it be the Z6 or whether it be my older Nikons, the D700, the D850 and the D500, and numerous Nikon lenses that I have. So change the equipment, even the small compact stuff like the little Canon G6 that I have. Tiny cameras, tiny digital cameras, but can produce some really great results. Much the same as with the phone, I suppose. So, what do you find? Do you find that if you just change your camera, go back to the old camera, it re-stimulates your creativity and your excitement for photography? That's what I find. So you can have more than one camera. Occasionally I get excited about taking photographs with the phone, but not so much. It's mainly using the camera. Right. On with some more shots. Found how to get through. You got to time it just right, otherwise you get caught up and you get wet. Alright, made it to the other side. Now I can go to Copacabana, which is down there, and go check out what's happening down there. I've got to cross over again. Now, I suspect the water's come up a bit, the tide's come up a bit. So I've got to try and work out where that channel was again and whether I can get across. Alright, a lot of water still here. So there is a channel break right about here. Whoa! That was so close. So close. Nearly Oh, wiped out there. That would have been embarrassing to sort of wipe out with a camera. Put a salt water on the camera, I guess. A bit of fresh water might sort that out. Oh, excitement. If it's the first time to my channel, then please do subscribe, press notifications to be notified when the next video is out. If you like the video, then give it a thumbs up, that's how you support the channel. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Okay, let's take some shots.